Hello and welcome back. Jumping right on in, we're going to conceal and set the eye. Now with the fluffy brush, we're going to go ahead and work in those brown tones, and I'm just going to keep building up that outer corner. Now I'm just laying down some glitter glue, and I'm going to top that off with the glitter from the Tati Beauty palette with my finger. Now I'm just smoothing everything out with the brush, and then we're going to take more of that glitter on the inner corner. So now here comes the fun part, and we're just taking that brown pencil and I'm just kind of tracing where I'm going to be laying down my stone, so kind of like a stencil, and then I'm going to be shading that out so it kind of looks like a shadows casted from underneath the mask. So now I'm taking my spirit gum and I'm working in sections. I have my little wax pencil and we are going one by one stone here. So this part did take me about 3.5 hours or so, but it was totally worth it. I love the outcome at the end, but gluing one by one took a lot longer than what I thought it would. Once I have all the stones laid down, I'm going back in with that brown pencil and we're just going to make some more shadows just to kind of give a little bit more depth underneath the mask and on the side of my hairline there. I just felt like I needed to fill out that gap. After I was done shadowing, I popped on my lashes. I'm going with this Laura Mercier red lip pencil all over the lips. And that's it. That's the completed look. Not too many steps. Does take quite some time with those stones, but it is totally worth it. The way it shines, especially in the dark, it's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching.